Hey everyone, thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a rocket. Well, I'm really excited for this one. Also, if you hadn't hit that subscribe button yet, go ahead and do so right now. Great, let's go try to draw a rocket and see what we can come up with. We're going to start by drawing a diagonal line. Then we're going to draw another line coming off the one we just drew. We're going to connect these two lines at the bottom with a straight line. This is going to be the body of our rocket. Next, we're going to draw a circle in the middle of the rocket, and then we're going to outline that with another circle around it. We're going to draw two lines going across the bottom of our rocket, making a stripe. And then we're going to draw one little curved line across the top. Next, we're going to start drawing our rocket ship's fins. We're going to make the right one first. And then we're going to make the left one by doing the same thing we just did for the right one. After that, we're going to draw the flames coming out of the back of the rocket ship. You can draw yours like ours, or you can make them your own. Now for the final step of making our rocket ship, we're going to add some details. We're going to add small little circles around the window and on the bottom stripe. This is how to draw a rocket ship. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now come color your rocket ship in with us.